Hi everyone, Sophie from Sophie's Kitchen here. Today I'm making baked garbanzo beans. I love to have cans of garbanzo beans in my kitchen at all times because they're so easy to make and you can throw them in so many different meals. I have made tacos out of them, I put them over rice bowls, salads, and even made a vegan tuna salad out of them. You can throw them in your baking dishes. They are so delicious. What I'm using today is a can of garbanzo beans or olive oil cooking spray to spray down my baking tray, and so many different herbs: turmeric, sea salt, pepper, lemon pepper. Really love to load up my garbanzo beans with as many herbs as I can. Herbs are really powerful, they're magical, they are a host to so many health benefits. They can reduce inflammation, help with chronic pain. Some can even suppress cancer tumors. They are truly magical. And putting them on your food, on your garbanzo beans, are one of the easiest ways to eat as many herbs as you can. So to start, open your can of garbanzo beans and run them under cold water to wash them. A little baking tip: all of the liquid that is at the top of the garbanzo beans, you can save that for any of your baking dishes and use as an egg replacer. All you do is whip up the aquafaba, is what the liquid is called, and then use that as a vegan egg replacer. So let's spray our baking tray. I'm gonna use this organic olive oil spray. And then you can go ahead and place all of your garbanzo beans on the tray. My oven is set to 350 degrees. Once our garbanzo beans are on our baking tray, we're gonna season them with all these different herbs. You can use your favorite herbs. I like to use some Himalayan sea salt, some paprika, some garlic powder, some onion powder, some turmeric, my favorite spice, some cumin, some cayenne because I love spicy food, some lemon pepper, some black pepper that I'm almost out of, and some chili flakes. Actually, no chili flakes because I am out of them, but the cayenne will give these a really nice spiciness and heat. I'm also gonna drizzle a little bit of olive oil onto these. See, these are ready to go into the oven, 350 degrees. Just set a timer for 30 minutes. At 30 minutes, I'll go ahead and check on them, probably flip them over, add a little bit more olive oil, and then put them back in because I like them really crispy. While the garbanzo beans are cooking, I wanted to share some health benefits with you on garbanzo beans. They are packed with fiber and with protein. If you're ever wondering where do vegans, vegetarians get their protein from, garbanzo beans are an excellent source of protein. They even have more protein than some meat sources, and they have a lot less fat. Because they are packed with fiber and with protein, they can help you reduce your calorie intake during the day, and they can also help you manage your weight. Garbanzo beans can also help with your digestion. Garbanzo beans can also help with your digestion, and they can help with your gut health. A lot of health issues stem from our gut. It's really important to feed our good bacteria and get rid of our bad bacteria, obviously, and garbanzo beans can help foster that. So at this point, you want to flip them all over so that the seasoning coats each one evenly and they are crispy all around. If you don't like them super crispy, you could go ahead and just eat them as is. I like them really crispy, so I'm gonna go ahead and put them in the oven for a little bit longer. So I ended up cooking these for another 20 minutes, so 50 minutes in total. You could totally cook these for an hour. They would be really crispy. That's how I like them. I'm just starving right now, so cut it 10 minutes short, 50 minutes, and they are so delicious, so much flavor, a little spicy. The turmeric on them is incredible. I'm gonna eat these right now with some brown rice, some spinach and some of my tahini dressing, which I have a video for. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your garbanzo beans. Subscribe, like. I am really hungry, which is why I'm rushing through this. Have a good night.